Alright, so today going to probably work on throttle linkage. For today's video, going to work on this. So this is documentation from Forte. I purchased the Forte throttle linkage kit that he sells. It's pretty cool, looks pretty simple, and very adjustable, which is nice. And I just like the look of the mechanical linkage over a throttle cable. I mean, they both work. They both work probably really well. It's just my personal preference. I think the linkage system that Forte sells is pretty cool. But I'll put a description to that kit down in the video somewhere, so that you guys can check that out. Mike's a really cool guy. Answers all my questions, and he's an old gearhead. Kind of awesome. But let's start laying this out and see how difficult or easy it truly is to install. That's going to have to be drilled out a little bit. So here is a problem. This throttle for the throttle body is hitting right here the air filter. So this this hits right there. So I think I have a solution for this. So this is a spacer. It's about a 1/2 inch thickness. So this should give me the clearance I need. So let's check.